Hello, everybody. This is Disorder of Insanity, and I'm going to bring you a review of the Desert Eagle. Don't know what brand made it. I got it at Evite.com now. It's a Springer, not full metal. Thought it was. It looked like it in the picture, so the appearance made me think that it was. But, alright, well, pretty good gun. Blasted through a lot of war, like a lot of skirmishes, backyard skirmishes. And quick thing real quick, sorry for the quality, if you can't hear my voice or something, I do not have a video camera right now. This is on my Android, so probably won't be the greatest quality, but it's something. Okay, let's go start off with the mag. It's pretty good. Let's say I got a good sized weight back here. It's pretty sturdy. Like the 1911 mags are like paper thin plastic that if you drop it's gonna shatter. So spring loaded. The baby's in there. There's the pull down thing. Hold about 23, 24 babies. I've fit at least 27 in there before, so it's pretty good for what it is. Now move up to the gun. First thing, I guess, safety, up, safe, down, fire. And the hammer does work. The safety up here does not, though. That's kind of disappointing. Full trademark, does do 44 Magnum pistol, Israeli military industries. Not a huge orange tip. Pretty good. Pretty solid trigger, crisp. Mag release right there. Let me get that real quick. Alright. Right there. The mag is pretty hard to get out, but pretty good, so. And, plastic. The barrel, I believe, is metal bow. Pretty good grips, too. It has the Israeli military thing there. Don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty good. Iron sight. Okay. Now the mag. Hold on. I don't think I have enough BBs either. Pretty good. Easy to fit them in there, as you can see. No, it's a cybergun. That's who made it. Well, this video is a little too long for what it is. I'm sorry about that, but it is what it is, I guess. So, once again, this was Disorder of Insanity. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and good luck to all you airsofters, or whatever the adjective for the word airsoft is. I don't really know. So, enjoy. And I will probably get a shooting test due tomorrow. So, stay tuned for that.